Another critical issue, biodiversity loss. Biodiversity is the term used to describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. Biodiversity, different types of living beings, including plants, bacteria, animals, humans. Biodiversity is defined as the variability among the living organisms from all sources, including terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystems and the ecological complexes of which they are a part. India supports approximately 17% of world's human and 20% of livestock population. छोटी सी बात क्या है? On a mere 2.5% of the world's geographical area. एरिया कितना है वर्ल्ड के कंपैरिजन में? 2.5% इन टोटल, 2.5%. और वो सस्टेन क्या कर रहा है? 17% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन, ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन, 20% ऑफ द लाइफ स्टॉक, जानवर, ठीक है ना, लाइफ स्टॉक पॉपुलेशन 20%. Area 2.5% only. The high density of population and livestock and the competing uses of land for forestry, agriculture, pastures, human settlements, and industries, they exert an enormous pressure on the country's finite land resources. Scientists have estimated that there are around 8.7 million species. बायोडाइवर्सिटी की अगर बात करी जाए, बायोडाइवर्सिटी, वेराइटी ऑफ लाइफ, there are around 8.7 million species of plants and animals in existence. However, only around 1.2 million species have been identified and described so far out of 8.7 million, most of which are insects. This means that millions of other organisms remain a complete mystery. Conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity is fundamental to ecologically sustainable development. Okay, conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity is fundamental to ecologically sustainable development. कह रहा भाई साहब, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इकोलॉजिकली मतलब इंसानों के साथ साथ बायोडाइवर्सिटी भी मेंटेन करनी है, तो कंजर्वेशन एंड सस्टेनेबल यूज चाहिए. Biodiversity loss has serious economic and social cost for any country, as many plants and animal species are severely threatened by the destruction of their habitat and overexploitation of resources. So there is an immediate need for biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity loss, an important issue.